Good morning, Keller Williams, and welcome back to the KW Command 66-Day Challenge 10.0. And today is day 19. So today we're going to continue our training inside the Referrals applet, and I'm going to show you a very powerful tool, another very powerful tool inside of Command. That's the ability to roughly predict migration patterns based upon the referral patterns being sent by KW agents. So let's dive in. Fifth icon down here is our Referrals applet. Yesterday I gave you a run through of what this dashboard looks like, our various tabs, what our little referral overview panels reference, our referral network as well. But today I want to focus on the map. So we're going to go into the map tab. And this map is extremely powerful. Yesterday I showed you how to zoom in on a specific area and see agents that had closed deals on either the buy side or list side in a specific area. But today I want to show you a couple of additional things that are inside of this drop down. So we've actually got 3 additional opportunities here. We've got market centers, my network, and referral patterns. We'll start with my network first. It's probably the simplest. This basically is just going to show you if you have any referral partners in any given area. Right now, our map is completely blank because we don't have any referral partners that we have created. And yet, as you continue to send out referral invites and other agents accept those invites, you would start to see who you have or where you have referral partners throughout the US. So this can be a really powerful tool as you're looking to grow your network. Especially as a newer agent who's looking to make connections with other producing agents throughout Keller Williams, this can be a great tool. Next up, you may have somebody that's looking to join an office. So maybe it's somebody that is in your sphere, your friend network from school, whatever it may be. They're moving to Columbia, South Carolina, and they say, hey, Marty, or hey, I want to join Keller Williams. Do you know anyone in Columbia, South Carolina? Now, of course, you guys do. And yet, if you didn't, you could come into the market centers drop down. And this is going to show you where we have offices or market centers throughout the US. And you could zoom in on South Carolina and zoom in on Columbia. And then you're going to see that we have 2 offices in Columbia. If you click on the Columbia, South Carolina office, that's where I am the team leader. You can actually get all of the information about the office, right? On here, you'll see all of the agents that are available for you to connect with inside of that office. So a ton of options here, right, to refer business to. And of course, you could always reach out and find out who the team leader is from any one of these agents. They'd be happy to refer you over to me and or any other team leader that can help you assist with that referral. Finally, the last tab that we have is one of the more powerful ones. This is sort of a secret weapon inside of Command. If you're in a certain market and you have a new listing, you're looking to advertise that listing both locally, but then in other markets where you think buyers might be coming from, this is a tool that can help you with that, and that's the Referral Patterns tool. So we're going to click on Referral Patterns. It's going to give us a default from Austin, Texas, right? That's where Keller Williams headquarters is, but let's say we're marketing a listing in Columbia, South Carolina. So the first thing I'm going to do is type in Columbia, South Carolina. That's going to recenter our map on Columbia. Now, it's important to note that there does need to be a market center in the city that you're searching for. If there's not, then you're going to have to find the closest one by going back to that market center tab and then come back. But obviously, if you're an agent doing this, you know where your market center is. The first thing that happens is it's going to give you a top 20 results on the right-hand side. This is where referrals are being sent to. So the agents in Columbia, South Carolina, and we have 2 market centers, so roughly 600 agents, are sending out referrals. Ironically, a lot of those are just being sent within Columbia. And I see that's the case a lot of times with most cities. However, there are outbound referrals to several other cities across North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, all the way even to Texas, Tennessee, Iowa. This is helpful to know where people are moving to. But again, we're looking to advertise our listing in cities where people are moving from. Well, we can actually change this tab from sent to received. These are where referrals are coming from when they're going to Columbia. So again, this is agent to agent referrals. It's not 100% migration patterns, but typically you're sending a referral for a person that's moving from an area you represent to an area they want to buy in. So you can make a loose kind of coordination or a loose, you can basically say, yeah, that's pretty close to referral patterns. Now, sometimes you may have expansion networks where, the hub is sending referrals to a specific location. You got to factor that in. But it's a great start. So Greenville, South Carolina, 4% of the referrals over the last 12 months from Columbia agents have gone to Greenville, South Carolina. So if I was advertising have been received from Greenville. So if I was advertising a listing outside of Columbia, I might want to advertise it in Greenville. I might want to advertise it in Charlotte, Fort Mill, Tampa, Florida, Anderson, Charleston, Myrtle Beach. This is even a tool you may want to consider printing out this screenshot, putting this in your listing presentation, and let the sellers know, because I work with Keller Williams, and Keller Williams has a very powerful tech platform called KW Command. We actually track all inbound and outbound referrals from all Keller Williams agents across the globe. And this is a way that I can market your property specifically to markets where people are moving from and moving to Columbia, South Carolina. And then my favorite line is like, I'm sure the other agent has that technology and showed you this as well. Oh, they didn't? All right, great. Where would you like to sign, right? So this is a tool that you can leverage while you're on those listing appointments to show, hey, I'm not only going to advertise this property locally, I'm going to advertise it outside of this market to get buyers. When we get to campaigns, by the way, we can also start running Facebook and Instagram ads in markets outside of Columbia or your local city, which is also extremely helpful. So that is the Referral Patterns tab. Again, inside of the Map tab, inside of our Referrals applet. So the last thing I did want to show you, if you're ever traveling internationally, if you change market centers and then you zoom way out, actually, if you're traveling anywhere nationally or internationally, I just think internationally first, you might be like Kelly Cody and you're going to Turkey and all those other fun places that she's been exploring lately. I'm not a CPA. This is certainly not tax advice. But if your trip did happen to include a visit to a market center that was in the area that you were visiting and you attended a class or visited with agents or met with leaders, you might want to talk to your CPA about potentially writing off part of that trip. And if so, here are where all of those offices are located nationally and internationally. Let's just say you were headed to France, right? So you can see we actually have offices in France, and here they all are, right? So just kind of a heads up. And again, this is also nationally, but traveling to Texas from South Carolina is cool, but traveling to Paris is a little cooler. So if you're ever looking for offices, and the same thing for referrals, right? Maybe you do have someone who's kind of over the US and wants to move internationally, and they're like, do you know any agents in Ireland? And you can say, yep, as long as you're moving to Dublin, we've got a whole list of agents, and here you go. There's KW Dublin, 25 agents available, and all of their information so that you can send those referrals not only nationally, but internationally. The Referrals applet, a very powerful tool. If I'm being honest, I think it's a little underutilized. Definitely would love to see agents utilizing it more to not only create their own network, but obviously send referrals back and forth using the applet, such that we can continue to harness that data to make it even more powerful. Guys, that's it for today. As always, I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I'll look forward to speaking with you again real soon.